Kela Show. Today, we're going to do a fashion show. So, if you want to do this, ask your parents. And this is our Kela Mana family channel. And if you want to see this channel, do a big thumbs up. Let's see this. Welcome. If you saw the other part, then good. So this first costume I'm going to do is karate. And if you want to do this, ask your parents. And the next costume is going to be you'll see. Welcome back. Captain Marvel, superpower. Next costume is Pikachu. Pika.